Hi friends, my name is Satish Ramande. I am from Nanded. My degree pass out college name is MGM College of CSN at Nanded. Today's my topic name is a wrapper class in Java. A wrapper class is a class whose object wrap or contains primitive data types. When we create an object to a wrap class, it contains a field, and in this field we can store the primitive data types. In other words, we can wrap a primitive value into a wrap class object. Need of wrap classes: they convert primitive data types into object. Objects are needed if we wish to modify the argument passed into a method, because primitive types are 9 plus passed by value. The class in Java util package handles only object, and hence wrapper class help in this class. In this case also, data structure in the collection framework such as array and vectors store only object and not primitive types, reference types and non primitive types. An object is needed to support synchronization in multi-threading. The wrapper class in Java provides the mechanism to convert primitive into object and object into primitive. Autoboxing and unboxing features. Two types of features. Convert primitive into object and object into primitive automatically. The automatically conversion of primitive into an object is known as autoboxing, and vice versa unboxing. Use of wrap class in Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language. We need to deal with object many times, like in collection, serialization, synchronization, etc. Let's see the difference where we need to use the wrap class. Change the value in method. Java support only call by value, so if we pass a primitive value, it will not change the original value, but if we convert the primitive value in an object, it will change the original value. Serialization, we need to convert the object into string to perform the serialization. If we have a primitive value, we can convert in in object through the wrap class. Thank you everyone.